Crime vocabulary. Thief. A person who steals something.
The thief took my phone.
Burglary. When someone breaks into a house to steal.
There was a burglary in our street yesterday.
Murder. The crime of killing someone.
He was arrested for murder.
Victim. A person who suffers because of a crime.
The victim of the robbery was very scared.
Arrest. When the police take someone for breaking the law.
The police arrested the suspect.
Judge. The person who makes decisions in a court.
The judge gave him 5 years in prison.
Prison. A place where criminals are kept as punishment.
He spent 3 years in prison.
Lawyer. A person who defends or advises people in court.
The lawyer helped the victim in court.
Trial. A process to decide if someone is guilty or innocent.
The trial lasted for 2 weeks.
Evidence. Information or objects that prove something happened.
The police collected evidence from the crime scene.
Fingerprint. The unique pattern on a person's finger used to identify them.
The detective found fingerprints on the door.
Detective. A person who investigates crimes and finds criminals.
The detective solved the mystery.
Shoplifting. Stealing goods from a store.
He was caught shoplifting at the mall.
Kidnapping. Taking someone away illegally and keeping them.
Police rescued the victim of the kidnapping.
Bribery. Giving money or gifts to influence someone illegally.
He was arrested for bribery.
Cybercrime. Crimes committed using computers or the internet.
He was arrested for cybercrime.
Corruption. Dishonest behavior, usually by people in power.
The government is fighting against corruption.
Vandalism. Deliberate destruction of property.
The schools suffered from vandalism.
Arson. The crime of deliberately setting fire to property.
The fire was caused by arson.
Criminal. A person who commits a crime.
The police caught the criminal.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want more vocabulary videos, check our playlist. See you in the next video.